Samsung has almost perfected the foldable phone, and 2023 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than the current models. For Samsung to make the ultimate foldable phone, there are 4 key things it needs to do. No visible crease. As impressive as Samsung foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. Faster charging. Most Samsung phones have rather slow charging, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is no exception. It tops out at 25 watts wired, or 15 watts wireless, both of which are far lower than other flagships like the 150 watts OnePlus 10T, or 120 watts Xiaomi 12 Pro. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to arrive with an extravagant 7.6-inch, 19.30cm display, along with a resolution of 1768x 2208 pixels. The larger-than-life display will make virtual content come to life. The upcoming phone might also have the Android V11 operating system, and it is also rumored to house a 4500 mAh battery that will allow one to use the phone for a longer period without battery drainage. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to ensure it fixes all the issues with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. There's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this points to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power many of 2022's Android flagships, including the Z Fold 4. According to Elec, a South Korean publication, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 next-generation flagship processor. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. Elec has previously reported on future technologies from South Korea companies. Samsung Electronics has fully utilized Qualcomm's mobile AP for its foldables phone series. The phone will have a triple-lens rear camera with a 50-megapixel main sensor. That's exactly what the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has, with the other 2 sensors being a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel telephoto. So might mean there aren't many upgrades to the camera, though of course this far out we take all of this with a pinch of salt. It could mean that Samsung has decided the weak performance of the under-screen camera on the Z Fold 3 was worth replicating in a future model. Samsung's sales expectations for its future foldables, which are interesting to say the least. At a glance, the sales figure look bullish, with Samsung predicting to ship 10 million Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 units in 2023. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.